this video I'm going to show you how to create word search puzzles using the software from wordsearchprinter.com, which you can download a free trial of. I'm now actually started the full version of the program, and I have two main options: either to start from scratch, create a new project, or I can continue work on a puzzle that I've created, maybe make some changes or enhancements to it. But I will start a new one. And the first option here is what do I want to start from. I can choose a blank grid, or I can choose a grid that's already filled out, for example, with items related to geography or history or whatever other options I like. But I'm going to start off with a blank grid, and I've chosen my theme of my puzzle will be jobs that people can do. So, for example, doctor, lawyer, and so forth. So I'll type in a few jobs: doctor, lawyer, priest, musician. And as you can see, each time I type in a word, a new puzzle is generated containing all the words formed so far. Let's put in pilot, and nurse, dentist. That will do for now. I could have chosen any theme I like, but that's just an example to show you what the puzzle would look like. I can also change the size of the puzzle to make it larger or smaller. Obviously, it does need to be big enough to fit all the words in. I can update the puzzle to make different combinations of layout. I can change the colours, which are not particularly interesting, but I can also change the word directions that are out. For example, if I want to make a puzzle for young children to solve, they may find these diagonal directions, upwards, right to left, and so forth, to be too difficult. So I could, for example, turn off all the directions apart from the standard top to bottom and right to left, and if I do that, I will always get a puzzle which fits those criteria, as you can see. If I go back to word directions, I'll turn them all back on again so that I can get some more interesting shapes. And I'll also increase the size of my puzzle for reasons that I'll show you in a moment. Now, one of the things that you can do as well is you can change the shape of the puzzle by turning on and off some squares. So, for example, I could make this puzzle look a little bit like a triangle shape at the top. Just as an example, obviously if I took more time I could produce some quite nice shapes, and I can do this before or after filling in the words in, or I can come back and edit the words later on. And if you look at our website, there are some examples, like a Christmas tree puzzle for a Christmas word search, or aeroplane search puzzle, or so forth. So here we have a triangular shaped puzzle, and the words will always fit into that new shape. I can also, when I'm done, I can save my puzzle. I can copy the puzzle or the solution as an image to the clipboard, so that I can paste it into a word processor or a publishing program, copy the word list, and I can also print out the puzzle, which is what I'll do now, except for I'll do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout would look like. Okay, the first page is the puzzle itself, which you would give to people trying to solve it. The next page is a list of words. Again, you might give that to people trying to solve it. And the last page is the solution. Now remember, each of these images, word list, and the puzzle itself can be copied onto the clipboard and inserted into other programs like word processors and so forth. So if you're publishing a magazine or something like that, you can easily incorporate your word search puzzles into it. That's basically it. If you go to wordsearchprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out. I think you will like it and you will want to upgrade to the full version. It's very affordably priced. It's a fantastically good program for creating puzzles, as you can see. Try it out, wordsearchprinter.com. Thank you very much.